It's a 2017 Audi Q3. Why this Audi Q3? 3 Qs come to mind. Quick as in a turbocharged engine, quality as in the style and build, and quantity as in an abundance of features. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, AM/FM satellite radio, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride, upscale interior, and many luxury features come standard. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.